So I'm here with Salem Al Shahrani, who's the Managing Director for Accor Makkah. Welcome.
Thank you so much.
So tell us a little bit more about the Clock Towers in Mecca and what you look after in terms of the hotels and the wider experience.
Actually, the Clock Tower in Mecca is one of the iconic buildings in Saudi Arabia, and globally it's one of the iconic tower in terms of hotel building itself. So the entire complex consists of 7 hotels with total number of rooms around 10,000 rooms. The retail shop is more than 600 retail shop within the same complex. So we consider this project as destination itself, and it's a really privilege to have this project next to Haram and Kaaba. So that's the holy mosque that all Muslims across the globe looking forward to visit and to perform Umrah or Hajj in that holy city.
And tell us a little bit more about the hotels, because you've got 7 hotels, I believe. So tell us about the different, you've got different brands and the different experiences at each one.
The project is basically meeting the expectation of different segments. So we do have the ultra luxury brands such as Raffles. We do have luxury brands such as Fairmont, and we have upper upscale brand like Swiss Hotel, Movenpick, Bolman Zamzam, and also Rotana is part of the project as well.
So you're really covering every type of guest. Yeah. And I know that enriching the guest experience and their visit is very important to what you do. Tell us a little bit more about the special services that you provide when guests visit.
This is a very important question, and normally it's one of our focus and consideration when we try to enrich the guest experience. Part of Vision 2030 that guest of Dhiyuf al-Rahman or guest of Allah who's visiting Mecca and Medina should have the experience that enrich their visit. So we are aligned with Vision 2030 by introducing additional facility and services within our hotels. Part of this facility, for example, we have a children care center within the complex for those families who travel and have children. So there is a place where they can keep them and perform visit to the Holy Mosque and come back again and take them. We also go beyond that to more detail of some sophisticated services such as butler service in Raffles and Fairmont Gold. And we do provide the butler service in these luxury hotels. In addition, we also have a lot of sightseeing activity promotion that we do promote within the complex itself and across all the hotels.
And talking about Vision 2030, obviously it's going to facilitate a lot of growth in religious tourists. So will Accor be expanding in line with the vision?
Actually, Vision 2030 is one of the aspiration and motivation for private sector to be aligned with the rapid development, and the most important element is to increase the traffic. Today, our aim by 2030 to increase the number to 30 million in Mecca, Medina. So definitely we are working together with the government sector to align most of the ease of restriction to encourage more traffic and support the airline connectivity to airports and transportation, hotel supply to meet the demand. Is there lots of development project under process for the time being? So I believe that's the case right now, and we hope that by 2030 we're going to celebrate this dream and this achievement that we can feel now the results coming every day and every week and every month and every year.
And finally, what's new at the Clock Towers development? Is there anything new or coming soon that we can tell people about?
Yes, that's the most important question, because we experience for the past 12 years. The arrival experience is a little bit congested because we are using one way to arrive to the complex. For the moment, there is a big development to connect Ring Road with the complex itself, and that will definitely uplift the arrival experience and will make more ease of reaching the hotels comparing to the previous years. So this is one. Second one, we have also promotion project in the pipeline to improve the quality of product in Raffles, Swiss Hotel Makkah. Movenbeek is also going for renovation. Bolman Zamzam going for renovation. Fairmont soft refurbishment. So I believe the entire complex will have a new different look and feel, which will definitely support the quality we look forward as Accor and to manage the expectation of our valuable customers.
Well, it sounds very exciting and lots to look forward to. So, Salem, thank you for your time today. Really appreciate it.
Thank you so much. It's an honor for me to be here. WTM is one of the most, event that we participate every year, and we look forward to continue this present and reach every year.
Well, it's great to have you here. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.